All right, team, this is the beast. Check the structural integrity first.
I'm getting readings on the hydraulics.
Camera is ready, starting the photo log. The primary structure holds. Take a measurement of the rust around this joint. Noted. The hydraulics will need replacing.
Yes.
Yes, but we can do it. Targets are looking good.
Yeah.
Double checking that angle. Beginning the rotation now.
Yeah.
Confirmation on the tablet. All right, team, focus on this structural component. We need precise measurements here.
Understood, Chief.
Let's check the digital model. The terrain looks stable for the winch points.
Let's drop charger.
I'll get the jacks in position. Let's finalize the cable layout.
Roger.
All right, straps are tight. Check the cover.
Check the pod.
Lifting points verified. Chief, ready for transport.
Keep it slow, watch the gauges.
Tension building, stand by.
Authorization granted, proceed with final pull.
We've got movement.
Cable tension is at threshold. Adjust winches.
Roger that. Rear alignment looks good.
Holding position, almost there. Keep it steady over the joints. Copy that, watching the boom. Clear to proceed off the bridge. Keep it slow and straight. Copy that, almost there. Check the clearance on the right.
Capture the rear wheels next.
Checking the measurements now.
Looks good. Let's move on to the engine compartment.
Great shot, check the laptop. Okay, adjusting for macro. Got it, moving to the boom. All right, verify this wheel hub. Check, good, move to the chassis. Scanning, done. Looks complete on the monitors, approved for disassembly. The boom measurements match the original schematics. Good, let's verify the chassis. Digital confirms the clearance. Excellent, document these as approved for the rebuild. All right, gentlemen, the checklist is complete. Let's get this crane taken apart. All right, watch the paint. Got it. Slow and steady. Clear on the rack. Keep it steady. Look out below.
Let go.
Looking good. Guide it down. Slow.
Clear.
Watch the clearance.
Clear.
Clear. Set her down.
Okay, that cluster is free. Got it. Did you get a photo of that connector? Already did. Pass me that tag.
Cable identified. Pin 4 checked. Okay, confirm placement in box A. Verified. Moving to pin 6. Let's check the tie point. All right, lowering now. Clear on the left. Keep tension on those ropes, boys. Watch the clearance. Slowly now. Lower it. Keep it steady. Guide pins are aligned. Going down slow. Check the clearance on the right. Clear. She's seated. All right, careful with that universal joint.
Got it.
Slow and steady. Down onto the stands.
There.
Almost there.
Keep it steady. Watch the clearance on the stands. Right, lowering now. Guide it to the pallet. Almost there, just a bit more.
Keep it steady there. Lowering the rear axle now. Clear to set the front assembly down.
Keep it steady, looking good. Clearance check, left side. Clear on the right, raise it slowly.
The chassis inventory is confirmed. We are cross-referencing against the original diagrams now. Perfect. We should be ready for the first detailed inspection soon. All right, team, let's go over the cleaning schedule again. Focus on the boom sections first. They need the most prep. Keep the coverage even on the chassis. I'm getting the tight spots now. Watch the panel lines, make sure it penetrates. Roger that. Keep the angle shallow to get under the manifold. Right, I see it breaking up. Get the drain tray closer. Watch for the pressure spike on that hose. Keep it steady there.
Look at there.
Looking good. Almost done with this section. Keep it steady there, we're making good progress. I see it. The rust is breaking up nicely. Keep the angle shallow to save the paint. Copy that. Moving to the weld seam now. Nice and slow. Keep it even, character B. Looks good. Consistent coverage inside. Moving to the next section now. All right, section's looking good. Make sure to hit that gearbox mount. Just finishing it up now. Looks clean. The measurements align within tolerance here. Mark the fatigue crack there. Confirmed, marking it now.
Almost done with this section. Looks perfect, let's measure it. Verified. Bring the magnet over.
Hold that steady. Verified. Starting the pass. Looking good, looking good. Nice, that's looking smooth. Check this area. Yeah, perfect, let's get the measurements. Approved, flawless work, gentlemen.
The laser lines are confirming the dimensions.
Checking clearances, almost there.
Perfect, welding can begin.
Complete. Line it up here. Ready to tack it. Verified, that's perfect. The tolerances are tight here. Let's just double check the gap. Got it, looks perfect. Keep working that curve. Got it, looks good. Just a bit more there. Perfect, perfect. Coating looks even there. Good, good. Moving to the next cavity now. Thickness is on spec. We're ready for approval. The last bolt is loose. Okay, ready for the lift. Watch the piping. Digital inventory updated. Clear.
Keep rotating it slowly for coverage. It's looking much cleaner now. Grab the lights, let's inspect the galleries. Compressed air ready, let's dry it off quickly.
The measurements are within spec on this one. Excellent. Mark it as approved. The rings look perfect. Let's move this one over. Torque set. Final check. The clearance is good. Looks perfect. Now for the final torque check. Torque's good. Aligning the M play now. Check that clearance. Looks good. Let's install the shims. Verified. Smooth rotation. Tightening the factory spec now. Pressure's looking good. Let's bleed this and check again. Gauge is holding steady. We're good to go. Line it up there. Keep going, just a little bit more. That's it. Now let's torque this down. Got it. Check the grease, then give it a test. Torque spec is correct on this side. Confirmed. Let's cycle the steering. Smooth travel through full range. Excellent. Keep it steady. Good. Tighten that. Okay, pressure test initiated. Let's check the readout. Looking good. Everything's stable. Recording the results now. Excellent. Cooling system complete. Tightening torque set. Ready for injector 7. Prime's good. Watch the pressure. Continuity confirmed on channel 3. Good. Securing it now. Grab the labeled sleeve for this loom. Green light on the left. Confirmed. Testing right now. Verified. Headlights, work lights, and markers are all nominal.
Make sure that one is snug. Okay. Checking the alignment now.
All right, module inserted, ready to power up. Verify connections on pins 3 and 4. Checked. Initiating diagnostic sequence. Looks good. Let's test this seal. Perfect. Nice and tight. Line up is perfect. Tighten it down. Copy that. Moving to the next section. Check the upper cabinet gap. Adjust as needed. Keep working on the seams. We need this perfectly clean. Copy that. Don't forget the hydraulic lines. We're almost done with the main cabin now. Just the warning lights left. Keep it smooth. Checking this section here.
Ready for air.
Ready for air. Good. Let's start wiping this down.
Keep a consistent overlap on the passes. Checking the coverage on this seam. Good, let's keep it moving.
Keep it even, don't rush. Right, got it. Next section, move in. Keep the distance consistent. Looking good here.
Yeah.
Check the overlap on the edge.
Yeah.
Copy that. Finish seems flawless.
The paint depth is perfect. Move down to the fender. Let's finish the boom.
Let's get these mirrors gleaming. Pass me that buffing wheel, please. Almost done with the grill. Achtung, okay, pass auf. Fertig, einrasten. Gut. So, looks perfect. Ready to go.
Ready to go.
Another job well done. All right, front left's done. Front right? Front right is good. Release the front jacks.
Yeah.
Rear stands are clear. She's sitting tight. Good work, team. Hydraulic pressure verified. Suspension alignment complete. Electrical systems good. Systems ready. Initiate startup protocol. Ignition engaged, all systems online.
Yeah.
Looks like she's perfect. Restoration complete. Wheel alignment is spot on.
Yeah.
Suspension is stable over the joints. Hydraulics are green across the board. Excellent job, everyone.